Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of a, where a times square root of a is equal to 125, or taking square to both sides, we will get a times this square root of a whole square is equal to right side, this is 125 whole square, or a times square root of a whole square. We can write it as a, this a square times this square root of a and this square is equal to 125. This is 5 to the power 3. This is 125 and this square, or this a square times this square root, and this square will cancel out and it will be a is equal to, now 5 to the power 3 whole to the power 2, we can write 5 to the power this 3 times 2, 3 times 2, or a square times a, this is a to the power 3 is equal to 5 to the power 3 times 2, this is 5 square whole to the power this 3, and this is same as 5 to the power 3 times 2, or left side a cube is equal to 5 square is 25 to the power this 3. Now taking cube root to the both side, we can write cube root of this a cube is equal to right side cube root of this 25 cube. Now this 3 and this 3 will cancel out and it will be a is equal to this cube root and this cube will cancel out and it will be 25. And this is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.